So in this lecture we'll discuss about two quadrant type B or class D chopper. So this is a two quadrant chopper. So here the voltage polarity can be both positive and negative, whereas the current polarity remains in the positive direction only. This is a schematic diagram for class D or type D chopper. So it consists of two semiconductor devices CH1 and CH conductor devices and two diodes D1 and D2. Vs is the supply voltage and V0 is the voltage across the load. I0 is the current flowing through the load. Here RLE type of load is considered. Suppose the current flows from the terminal A to B, then it is considered as a positive direction for the current. And similarly, if the voltage polarity is plus and minus as shown in the figure, then this voltage is considered as a positive voltage. So now using this chopper, we can obtain both the first quadrant as well as fourth quadrant operation. In the first quadrant, as we see here, both the voltage and current are positive, whereas in the fourth quadrant voltage is negative but current is positive. So now we'll discuss mode 1. So in mode 1, both the choppers that is these semiconductor devices CH1 and CH2 are turned on. So once the chopper is turned on, the current will start flowing through the circuit. So it will start flowing from Vs plus through this chopper CH1 through the load through this chopper CH2 and completes its path through Vs minus. So now the current through the load is from the terminal A to B. So if the current flows in this direction, that is from A to B, then it is considered as a positive direction. Now this terminal A is connected to the positive terminal of the supply voltage through this conducting chopper. And similarly, the terminal B is connected to the negative terminal of the supply voltage. So the voltage V0 will be equal to Vs with the polarity plus and minus. So this is considered as a positive voltage. So V0 is equal to plus Vs. So in this case, both the voltage as well as the current are positive, and hence we are obtaining first quadrant operation. Okay, both V plus V0 and plus I0. So now mode 2 operation. So here in this case, both the choppers CH1 and CH2 are turned off. So once the choppers are turned off, the load current will continue to flow through these diodes. That is, the diodes D2 and D1 will get forward biased. The current is forced to flow through these diodes. So the current will start flowing from this RLE through this diode D2 through the supply terminal Vs plus, Vs minus, and completes its path through D1. Okay, so the current remains in the same direction as before, that is from A to B. So this is again considered as a positive direction for the current. So whereas the voltage polarity will get reversed. Here the terminal A is connected through this diode to the terminal negative terminal of the supply voltage, and similarly B is connected through this diode through to the positive terminal of the supply voltage. So the polarity of the voltage get reversed during this mode of operation, that is here minus and here plus. So voltage remains negative and current remains positive. So hence we are obtaining fourth quadrant operation. So these diodes G1 and D2 are called as the energy recovery diodes. Okay. So now we'll discuss the waveform. So here the average voltage can be both positive as well as negative. So if we want the average voltage to be positive, then the on time of the chopper should be more than the off time. So this is the waveform for on time greater than off time. Here Ig1 is the gate pulse given to chopper 1 and Ig2 is the gate pulse given to chopper 2. So in this case, T on is more than the T off. Okay. So when both the choppers are turned on, the load current will start rising. It rises exponentially, and at the same time V0 will be equal to the supply voltage. So the supply voltage will appear across the load, okay, which is positive. Okay, V0 will be equal to plus Vs. So now when the choppers are turned off, the load current will start decreasing. That is, the load current will flow through the diodes D1 and D2. So when the diodes are conducting, the load voltage will be equal to minus VSR. So here, since T on is more, the positive voltage will appear across the load for a more interval of time when compared to the negative voltage. So the average voltage will be equal to the positive voltage. Okay. So in the second case, we are assuming T on is less than the T off. So here, once the chopper is turned on, the same operation will continue. That is, the current will start rising and the supply voltage will appear across the load, which is positive. So once the choppers are turned off, the current will start reducing and the negative voltage will appear across the load. So here, since off time is more, the negative voltage will appear across the load for a more interval of time when compared to the positive voltage. Hence, the average value of the output voltage will be negative when on time is less than the off time.